Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1:80 in scale Mercedes-Benz 600 Pullman W100 from the model car group. This is a really long car and it barely fits in the camera's frame. The car is well protected in this blister packaging and there are a few pieces of wire securing the car in place which I'll now remove. So here's the car, and as you can see, it's really long. The headlights and the grille are really well detailed and look nice. The indicators on the bottom of the headlamps are painted. The Mercedes logo on the grille is a decal and the hood ornament is a photo etched part. The chrome on the bumper and the grille look really nice. There are the white wall tires and the wheels can roll freely but they cannot be steered, and the Mercedes logo on the wheel cap is painted. It also does not have working suspension. The chrome parts around the car are meticulously done and the door handles are really well detailed. Now moving on to the back, the tail lamps are really well detailed and all the logos here are decals but still look good. The boot lock and the rear bumper look really nice. The rear wheels also can roll freely. And this is the right side of the car. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard is really well detailed and you can see all the gauges on the instrument cluster. The metal ring on the steering wheel is really well detailed and the Mercedes logo on it is a decal. The wooden trim on the dashboard, center console and the door cards look really nice. The door card itself is really well detailed. Since this is the Pullman, there are the rear facing seats in the back. You can see the different handles on the rear door card as well. The rear center console is also really well detailed. You can see the dashboard more clearly from the passenger side. The wipers, windshield washer jets and the vents look really nice. You can also see the vent for the windshield defroster on top of the dashboard. The mirrors are finished in chrome and they reflect really well. The IRVM is also finished in chrome and you can see the sun visors on the headliner. The undercarriage is not well detailed but still looks good. There is silver paint on the exhaust mufflers and tips. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.